Welcome back, everyone. I'm Molly the Kush RN with Conversations with Kush, and tonight we're doing a special show from Hook and Ladder Theater. We're interviewing some of the designers, some of the vendors at Smokin on the Runway. So tonight we have Roxy from,
Hi.
Tell me your brand again, Roxy.
Camp Buzzkill.
Camp Buzzkill, that's right. Tell my audience about your brand.
My brand it's a DIY punk alternative clothing brand that was started by my twin, London, and then they make everything by hand. And I joined maybe 2 years ago, and it's about being a size inclusive, very expressive, maximalist kind of brand. And the way we incorporate the word buzzkill because the whole point is to disrupt fashion and disrupt any room you walk into. Because when you walk into a room wearing Camp Buzzkill, people can't help but looks at you and be like, how many mental disorders do you possibly have?
Just one or two, right?
Maybe.
I love that. I love things that are rebellious, and I feel like every time I look at you, that's what I get. So,
Thanks.
how do you want people to feel when they wear your clothes?
Mostly, I want anyone wearing Camp Buzzkill to feel very confident. I want them to feel like they can walk into any room and command a room, because that's the point, is that just to take up space in just any room, any people's just brains, anything. That's the whole point.
Yeah.
Is I want anybody to walk in wearing Camp Buzzkill feeling very powerful and very much like, you can't tell me anything. I dare you.
Yeah,
That's
right?
the vibe.
Yeah.
Also very unapproachable, hence all the spikes, like, don't touch me, leave me alone.
Since we're at Smokin on the Runway tonight, tell me how Camp Buzzkill fits in with Cannabis. How do they go together?
Every person who is a part of the Camp Buzzkill team is very much, stony baloney.
Stony baloney.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
Do you think it helps you express your creativity?
Of course. I feel like 100%. London and my video chats, which are mostly glorified sessions, but we call them business meetings, but really I feel like weed probably is a very central part of our creative process.
Perfect. Awesome. And last but not least, tell my audience where they can find you.
You can find us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook at Camp Buzzkill. You can also find us on our website, campbuzzkill.bigcartel.com. And you can also find us here at the Hook and Ladder in the Zen Arcade. You can find some of our shirts, some of our headgear, some of our jewelry.
Awesome. Well, I can't wait to see your designs. Thank you for stopping through.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks, Roxy.
Thanks.